Hey everyone, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Today we are at 200 Sun Boulevard here in Easley, South Carolina. This is one of our listings here. It's a brick ranch style home with a side entry garage, a beautiful sunroom in the back, open floor plan, hardwood floors throughout. Nice updates in this home, little over half-acre lot, fenced backyard. Let's go inside and check it out, see what you think. Come on in. Well, I hope you enjoyed a tour of this beautiful home. Now, if you know someone who might be interested in this home, or if you are interested, give us a call here at Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, 864-438-5050, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.